Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So today we will learn about the CapCut application, and specifically I would like to show you the way how you can remove emoji from video clip on a CapCut. I already have this video, I already have this clip, and I already have this emoji out of nowhere on my video clip. So whenever you played it, those emoji is stand there. So I want to remove this emoji, but whenever I tap it, there is no actions pop up and there is no option that I can access. So how to activate those options? You just need to do this instead. You just need to take a look on this bottom side, guys. So basically this sticker is coming from the text feature. So you just need to go click it to activate the section. And whenever you click it, you see the available section of the stickers pop up here, and then just need to tap it. Now you will have an action, you have an option to remove this object or this sticker. You can just go click this X on this emoji section, or you can also do the delete one. Go click it and those emoji will be removed. And what if this emoji is coming from the text? It will be also the same. So you just need to go click it. Let's say this is the looks whenever you got those stickers. So it's just the same. Whenever you tap it, there will be no actions pop up on this sticker. So you just need to go back into the text to activate the section, tap it, and then you just need to go click X to remove it. So that's so simple, right? If you still have some questions, just drop your question into the comment below, and don't forget to subscribe into this channel to get more information about the application on your phone. That's for today's tutorial, and let's meet again into other video.